schizophrenia becomes a painful and in some cases incurable disease, and despite the operation the person cannot feel well. Schizophrenia is medically referred to as scurvy. Because of its name, it is generally considered a gynecological disease. However, it is also found in men. The last seals in the back are caused by being crushed under the seals of the nervous system, which causes the pain to go into the leg, and then after reaching the feet it makes the person unable to walk. This pain extends from the hip joint to the leg to the foot. There is severe pain and body weight cannot be placed on the leg, which makes the patient limp. The heel lifts off the ground, so it is called lameness. Breathing pain is also spoken in most rural areas. It is also called Rengnai or Gardhasiwat. It is remembered by many names. The pain starts in the hips and extends to the ankles. This pain is in the back of the leg. It usually occurs in one leg but is sometimes felt in both legs, but it is very rare. Another name for this pain is sciatica, or nerve is also a sciatic nerve. Is called. It starts with the bite of something in the nerve. This bite can be for any reason. Causes abnormal enlargement of the lumbar vertebrae, which puts pressure on the sciatic nerve passing through, which causes pain. 2. Due to various causes of spinal cord. 3. Hair and brain damage and neuralgia. 6. People whose feet are naturally straight from the bottom do not have a natural bend. 7. In case of an accident or injury, if the limbs move from their place, they disturb the sciatic nerve passing by them, which causes waves of pain in it. Other causes of this pain include obesity, old age, sitting too long, lifting too much weight or riding too much motorbike, prolonged exposure to cold weather, high levels of uric acid, frequent use of cold foods, getting wet in the rain, taking a quick shower when sweating, etc. Symptoms of sciatica include a feeling of pain from the hip bone to the ankle, numbness in the legs, and tingling in the feet or heels. The patient cannot bend while bowing, cannot stand up straight and stretch his leg. If he has elevated uric acid, then he feels pain and swelling in other joints of the body, especially in ankles, knees, etc. There is a decrease in joint movements. Give homeopathic remedies according to the symptoms. 1. Naphthalene 33x200. Severe pain, numbness of the leg. The main symptom of this medicine is more pain in the patient walking, lying down, but less pain in sitting. Rustux 1230. The sciatica on the right, soaking wet from the rain in the cold, is an important symptom. Resting increases discomfort and walking decreases. Causticum leg numbness is a major symptom of cold sores. Magnesia phase 6x 3200. Significant symptoms: the patient repeats the pain. In severe pain, the patient says, "Sit on my leg." Excessive pressure, warmth, sand, salt shaking, or rubbing gives relief. Color Saint 230. Key symptoms: schizophrenia on the left side, reducing pain by pressing and heating, increasing pain by moving. Note: ranunculus bulb. Mixing 10 ml of olive oil in one. Relief for all types of lame pain is a great relief. Carbonium sulfate 30. For the old schizophrenia, arsenic album. Chills, anxiety, fever, heat relief. Chamomile, increased irritability, movement, and discomfort at night. Goicom, leg strain, compression, joint pain. Aconite nap 30. Pain due to hot or cold wind, high fever at night, severe anxiety. Belladonna 30. The pain starts suddenly and then suddenly stops. That's all there is to it. High fever, slight movement intensifies the pain. Hanging the feet gives relief. Nux vomica 30. Constipation, oversitting people such as clerks. Kali Phos 6x. Patients with a weakened nervous system. The patient is very weak and weak.